भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे। देखो मेरी सारी ही उम्र करूं मैं क्या, कहीं तो होगा कोई उपाय कि मेरी तू हो जाए, चाहे मुझको तू भी उम्र भर। करूं मैं क्या, क्या मंत्र पढ़ूं मैं, क्या तंत्र करूं मैं, आंखों की चाहत तुझे भी दिखाई दे। प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे। प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे। बात कैसे मैं कहूँ करूँ मैं क्या, समझे ना तू बातों पगली कि दिल की अदला बदली, अब तो बिन किए ना मैं रहूँ करूँ मैं क्या। मैं रह भी न पाऊँ मैं कह भी न पाऊँ, बोले बिना कैसे तुझको सुनाई दे। प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे। प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे। प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे। प्रेम की नैया है राम के भरोसे अपनी नैया को पार तू लगाई दे।
The king of Delicacia is crazy about cream puffs. He loves to have them always and forever. But the witch of all witches puts a curse on the king that he would not be able to have any more cream puffs if he sentenced her for having stamped his royal food. The witch succeeds in splitting away the recipe book, and the bitter truth is that even the baker who'd been baking the cream puffs doesn't remember the recipe. So who helps the king? For he simply can't live without cream puffs. Sharik in the role of the king of Delicacia, Priyanka the queen, Swati the princess, Ajay as Elganon the prince, Darshan the page, Subhash the baker, Kailash the herald, Arifa the witch of all witches, Afra the second witch. Thank you.
Well, let me see. What am I supposed to do today?
Supposed to judge the witch of all witches.
The witch of all witches? And who may she be?
Surely you must remember the witch who comes so frequently to the palace.
Oh, that cute little witch with blonde curls?
Next, sire, the one with grey wig, glass eye and false teeth.
Oh, that one. I might as well get it over with. I am to judge her, you say?
Yes, sire.
Why am I to judge her? Can you tell me what crime she has committed?
She has stepped on your royal toe, sire.
My toe? Which toe?
The one on your left foot, sire.
Oh, that one. Well, send her in.
I would hope to ask you an important question, sire. Pardon me, Your Majesty. I would hope to ask you an important question, sire. Pardon me, Your Majesty.
Let that page go by.
Oh, not this page. It's one of the best in the whole book. Listen to this. The prince drew his sword and with one fell swoop killed the mouse and saved the princess. Isn't that romantic?
Yes, I suppose it is. But enough of your romance. Don't interfere in my important court matters. I have a witch to judge. Page, go and bring her in.
How I wish you were filled with romance instead of cream puffs. Algernon is filled with romance, aren't you, Algernon?
Oh, quite.
Listen to this, Algernon. The prince looked into the deep blue eyes of the princess and...
Would you kindly read that thrice somewhere else?
You just don't appreciate romance, but Algernon does. I will take him to the garden and read it to him.
A fine way to treat our future son-in-law.
Oh, he loves it, don't you, Algernon?
Oh, quite.
Then come along, my dear. I'll read you a whole chapter. And here's my old friend, the witch of all witches. Maybe she would like to join us. Could I interest you in a good book? On the mic.
Don't tell me you're working your way through college.
Humph, you're impossible. Come along, Algernon. We'll go to a more refined atmosphere.
This is the witch I am to judge. Well, you moth-eaten old broomstick rider, do you admit that you are sorry that you stepped on my royal toe?
Never.
What? That I must sentence you?
If you do, I'll put a curse on you and your cream puffs.
No, you wouldn't. Not on my cream puffs. No.
Just sentence me and see.
All right, I will. I don't think you would have the nerve to do it. I sentence you to the mountain den for the rest of your life.
Oh, you do? Do you? Then on this very day, I warn you, your cream puff recipe book will walk out of the kitchen to my den and be lost forever.
Do you think she can do it? If I really thought, but no. She's just bluffing. Take her to her then.
Come with me, on to your mountains.
I wonder if she can deprive me of my cream puffs. I'd better call her back. Paige!
Thank you, sire. You called me, didn't you?
Not that I know of. Who are you?
I'm the herald, sire. Please say you called me.
All right, I called you, but now I can't remember why.
It doesn't matter, sire. The queen had me cornered in the hallway outside and was reading some romantic drivel from a book. I just had to get away from her.
Say no more. I understand fully. But now that you're here, I want to ask you a question.
Ask me anything, sire. Ask me anything.
Do you think the witch of all witches can put legs on my cream puff recipe and cause it to run away?
She's very powerful, remember? The time she made the river run uphill?
Indeed I do. That settles it. Something must be done at once. Go down to the kitchen and bring my cream puff recipe. I'll sit on it.
At once, sire.
Why didn't I think of that before? If I'm sitting on the cream puff recipe, it can't possibly run away. Legs or no legs.
I cannot go on. I quit.
Please, Pierre, wait a moment. What's wrong?
I was making some cream puff for your majesty, and the recipe book was on kitchen table, right in front of my eyes.
Yes, go on.
Well, all of a sudden, you won't believe this.
I'm afraid I will.
It sounds impossible, but that recipe book sprouted legs and walked right out of the kitchen.
She did do it, Pierre. And do you remember the cream puff recipe?
Well, let me see. A pinch of salt and a spoonful of sugar? Or was it a spoonful of salt and a pinch of sugar?